Greetings from City Grade Furniture Team. We are specialized in production of metal parts with punch press, the development of stamping dies, and the processing of metal materials. There are 70 punching machines with 60 to 400 tons punching capacity and average 300 to 400 tons steel and iron consumption per month. The bending process takes place using CNC hydraulic press, which can compress all types of materials. The two most common shapes are U and V, while the metal can also be formed into corrugations, curls, flanges, or other shapes. Laser cutting improves the traditional process with invisible laser beams by its high precision and increasingly accurate computed power, which is capable of cutting complex shapes, doesn't damage the surface of the material, and is highly versatile and environmentally friendly. Tubes and pipes are the major part of our most products. We support industries and applications in bending, reducing and welding various materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. The steel tube and pipe bender can bend the outer diameter of pipe up to 65 mm and maximum 2 mm thickness of pipe with different shapes and angles, even including irregular shapes. CDG delivers custom welding service with modern machines and technology. The trained engineers provide precise and efficient manufacturing abilities, choosing the right welding procedure to shorten turnaround times and provide premium quality results for your parts. If you are looking for aluminum die casting and aluminum products, we are equipped with 150 to 1,000 tons die machines that hydraulically inject molten aluminum into the mold under pressure to cool and form. Capable of working on all kinds of processes that aluminum material requires, including tooling manufacturing, cutting, punching, CNC, milling, polishing, grinding, painting, etching, silk screen, and providing parts that are related to aluminum die casting. With continuous improvement of processing capacity and efficiency in the processing industry, the servo turret became the future trend by improving positioning accuracy and stability while reducing environmental pollution. The manufacturing of plastic from tooling to injections is all done at one site. We are equipped with injection mold machines and plastic case injection machines. The maximum injection volume can be up to 2.5 kilograms and the whole manufacturing process is fully automated. The manufacturing capacity can reach 40 to 50 tons of plastic volumes every month. Moreover, all of our plastic parts are made following the standard regulations of RoHS, which provide safety assurance. CDG is capable of providing woodwork working processes, including automatic cutting, drilling, trimming, CNC cutting, and surface adhesive. There are different ways of finishing, including wood veneer, PVC, paper, and UV painting. Those processes are mainly made by automatic machines in Taiwan. Therefore, the quality and price of woodboards have a high competitive advantage. Finally, powder coating and finishing is done by automatic line, which includes pre-treatment, drying, beforehand examination, spray and curing. In addition, part in every process will go through final inspection at the assembly line. Only products that meet the standard can be packed and shipped to our customers. CDG is located in Taichung, Taiwan, the hub of the furniture industry, which has mature metal, aluminum, plastic, and woodboard component processing supply chains. With integrated supply chain, engineering techniques, professional execution, and quick prototyping, our team creates parts that comply with your unique specifications.